Right, okay, I'm going to show you how to turn a ChemSketch image into a PowerPoint where you remove the background on the chemical structure, because I've done this loads of times. I'm also going to show you how you can do that and color different bonds. So like if you want to do a mechanism or something like that and you want to color the different bonds. First thing you have to do is you have to make the structure in ChemSketch, and then what you have to do is you go save and you go to export, and you go to export and you choose a Windows meta file. So we're choosing a Windows meta file. And then after that, I've just called this CB for carboxylic acid. Okay, and I've already done it once, and there we go. And I've got my carboxylic acid. Then I go into my PowerPoint, and this is for when you have black backgrounds. You want to remove the background for black backgrounds, so the background of the chemical structure. And you insert a picture, and you insert this file. So there you go, there's the CB file, and I've inserted it, and here we go. So let's just get rid of this design ideas. Make it big. Okay, and this is the clever bit. You just go to color, and then just choose what color you want. So I want white because I'm going onto a black background, but you can do whatever you want. This now has no background within the image. If you didn't do it like this, it would have background within the image. You couldn't overlay it on other things and things like that. Now that's good in itself, and that's really good for PowerPoints, but what you can also do is you can ungroup this. That turns it into a Microsoft Office drawing object, and you can't see it because it goes back to its other original color. So what you do to make it so you can see it again is go up to shape format. Okay, and then in the outlines, just choose white, and then all your bonds will reappear. Now your atoms have been text boxes, so you just find where the text box is, and you go to home and you choose the color you want. No, so I'm just putting them back to white, and I'm going to choose these two here and put those back to white as well. Okay, so now we've got our carboxylic acid back. But let's think, if we wanted to do like a nice PowerPoint and we wanted to show that in a mechanism that the OH leaves, we might want to color that a different color. So turning it into a drawing object means we can click on the individual bonds. Okay, so if we look at individual bonds there, we can go to the shape outline again, and then we can go, right, okay, what color do we want it to be? So I want that to be blue, and then I choose those, and then I can turn those into a similar blue as well. And so what you can do is you can do mechanisms where you can show, look, this is the bit that's leaving, for example, in condensation reactions and such and so forth. It's really, really useful, and it takes you 2 minutes if you do it normally. Anyway, hope this helps.